Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair. Flex Tape is no ordinary tape. Its triple thick adhesive virtually welds itself to the surface, instantly stopping the toughest leaks.
This is a test of the emergency alert system, life-saving technology that can quickly notify the public during an emergency. In the event of an actual emergency, important information would be provided after the tones. This is only a test. There is no actual emergency.